Hello friends, this is Vishal Kumar Tiwari and you are watching Lex Mind channel. जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि 2021 का एमपी एडीपीओ 19 जून 2022 को प्रपोज है। इसलिए आपके हेल्प के लिए मैंने 2015 एमपी एडीपीओ के क्वेश्चन पेपर को आपके सामने लेकर आया हूँ। चलिए अब हम देखते हैं कि 2015 एमपी एडीपीओ में कैसे क्वेश्चंस आए थे और इसके साथ ही इसमें इसके मॉडल आंसर की भी दिए हुए हैं। तो चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं इस वीडियो को। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो आपके सामने है वो है, बाय विच अमेंडमेंट द वर्ड्स सेक्युलर एंड सोशलिस्ट वर इंसर्टेड in the preamble of the Constitution of India? Answer is 42nd Constitution Amendment. Second question, the appropriate writ issued by the Supreme Court to quash the appointment of a person from a public office is Q warranto. Question number 3, the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of India may be enlarged by the Parliament by making law. Next question, that is question 4. The Supreme Court recognized the transgender in which of the following case? Correct answer is Indian Legal Authority versus Union of India. Next question, which of the following case relates to doctrine of eclipse? Answer is Bhikaji versus State of MP. Next question, Clause 5 of Article 15 was inserted in Constitution of India by Constitution 93rd Amendment Act. Next question. In which of the following case the Supreme Court held that the preamble is not a part of the Constitution? This is the very famous case, that is Re Berubari case. Next question. Question number 8. Which cannot be done directly cannot be done indirectly. This statement is related to which of the doctrine? The colorable legislation. Next question. The concept of fundamental duties is derived in Indian Constitution from the Constitution of USSR. Next question, that is question number 10. Article 15, Clause 4A was inserted in Indian Constitution by which of the following Constitution Amendment? Answer is 77th. Actually, this question was deleted. Next question. Who among the following holds office during the pleasure of the President of India? Answer is Governor of States. Question number 12. Article 2017 of the Constitution of India relates to appointment of judge of the High Courts. Next question. Who among the following is not appointed by the President of India? Correct answer is Advocate General of State. Next question. A bill is money bill or not? Who decides? Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Which article of the Constitution of India relates to appointment of members of Public Service Commission? Correct answer is Article 316. Next question. Article 301 of the Constitution is related to freedom of interstate trade. Next question. Interstate Council is established under which of the following article? Article 263. In case Lata Singh was a state of UP, relates to which of the following? Right to marriage. Next question. A promise to pay time bar date under the Contract Act is enforceable. Question number 20. A counter offer is rejection of the offer. Question number 21. An agreement with a minor is void, hence, minor is never allowed to enforce such agreement. Next question. An agreement by fraud is voidable when a person making a false statement, believing it to be true, and does not intend to mislead the other party to the contract, it is known as misrepresentation. Next question 24. Coercion is provided under which of the following section of the Indian Contract Act? Section 15. Under Indian Contract Act, acceptance of a proposal must be unconditional and absolute. Next question 26. Voidable contract has been defined under which of the following section of Indian Contract Act? Section 2I. Question number 27. There may be contract without consideration if all options are correct. Agreement is in writing and registered. Parties to the agreement are in near relationship. Agreement is made due to natural love and affection. Next question. Question number 28. Mori Bibi versus Dharmodas Bose case in related to effect of minus agreement. Next question 29. Which of the following pairs does not match tender of performance section 38? Next question. The Indian Contract Act 1872 extends to the whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. In present scenario, this option is not correct. Option must be option A, the whole of India. Question number 31. Consent is said to be the free when it is not caused by all options are correct. Coercion, undue influence, fraud. Question number 32. Where a contract contains a stipulation by way of penalty on breach of contract, the aggrieved party is entitled for compensation, reasonable amount, but not more than stipulated amount. 33. Under a contract, plea of undue influence may be raised only by the party whose consent was so caused. Under Indian law, consideration may be something having some value in eyes of law. Question number 35. Transfer of Property Act 1882 came into force. Answer is 1st July 1882. Question number 36. For attestation, how many witnesses are required? Two or more. Question number 37. Under the Act 1882, which of the following is not included within the term immovable property? Correct answer is growing crops. Question number 38. Improvements to mortgage property is provided in which following sections of TP Act? Section 63A. Question number 39. Which of the following does not come within the ambit of living person under TP Act? Correct answer is idle. Which of the following property may be transferred under TP Act? A property which has not been prohibited by law for transfer. Next question. Under Section 7 of TP Act for transfer of property, it is not necessary that in every circumstance the transferable property must be his own. Next question. A transfers his property to B with the condition that B shall never transfer this property to anyone. The transfer of property is lawful, but the condition is void. Question number 43. Under Section 17 of the TP Act regarding accumulation of income of any property, the period from the date of the transfer is 18 years. Question number 44. A lets say farm to B on a condition that B shall walk 100 miles in an hour. The lease is void. Question number 45. Transfer of property to an unborn person is provided under which section of the TP Act? Section 13. Under Section 30 of the TP Act, if the ulterior disposition is not valid, the prior disposition is not affected by it. Question number 47. Every transfer of immovable property made with intent to defeat or delay the creditors of the transferor or transfer being a fraudulent transfer shall be voidable. Mean profit does not include improvement made by a person in wrongful possession of property. Question number 49. Which amongst the following is not a civil nature suit? Suit relating to expulsion from caste. Question number 50. In which section of the Civil Procedure Code interpleader suit is given? Correct answer is section 88.